Hi guys, this is softmemeware here and welcome to the product BanrKit. So this is the sales page of this product and I can't show this product. I have not used this product, that's why I have not rated it. But inside this video I can explain you what are the inside stuffs inside this product, what you will be given inside this product basically, and I can also show my bonuses also. So I have chatted with the owner of the product and I came to know that the stuffs inside it, and I came to know that process how this product works. So this is the BanrKit cover image or the software cover image, and this is a totally SaaS based product, software as a service based product, and inside this product you will be given so many stuffs. But let me clear you from the beginning that this product costs 65 bucks, and also you can get the product from Thursday of April 15th April and 11 a.m. EST, the New York time, the standard New York time, and the morning of New York. So additionally you will be given 30 days no satisfaction money back guarantee, and this is totally scrutinized by the Warrior Plus platform, the platform from who you are purchasing the product. That platform is inspecting this, and so there is no worry or there is nothing to get fear about the refund section. So this is the bonus, and these are the descriptions about this product. And inside this description, if you go through it detailedly, then you can check out, or you can come to know about the product or the stuffs. Basically my English is not so good, that's why I am stammering, or maybe this is correct word, I don't know, I am stammering. And 150 of pictures and 24 transition effects and 2 million supply of images choose from with easy image browse, and so many images. And basically this product is very easy to use. You have to just choose the templates from the 100 of templates, and from those templates you can edit your image. After choosing the template, you can edit your image as you wish, and then you can just save the image. Basically any animated images or any GIFs or any short video or maybe big video can be editable here. I don't know exactly about big video, it is totally wrong to say about big video, I mistakenly said that. So you can do the things, and you can sell your stuffs inside Fiverr as your skill, as your gig. That is, this product is made, that's why this product is made. And this is my word about this product. I have not used it, I have written here, and also I have gone through the conversation with the owner, and then I have reviewed it. I have written the stuffs, and this is a sales page. You can see there are so many stuffs, and each and every stuffs is pretty much animated, and the transition effect and also the animation effect or the motion effect is very cool. And you can check out the sales funnel, and you have to check out the sales funnel if you want to get the product. You have to go through this sales funnel or this sales page, and from the sales page, once you have just purchased the product, you can also purchase the rest of the funnel, like any upsell from this page. Also, if you purchase any upsell, you will be given more bonus from my side. If you purchase the front end only from my website, then you will be given these bonuses. Let me show you. The free bonus is totally free. You can ask me anything inside Make Money Online niche from my Facebook page softmemeware, and these bonuses, this software will be given to you totally free from my website once you have just purchased the product from my website. There is nothing much to do. So let me show you. So after 50 bonuses, I have placed here some surprising thing, like 300 plus bonuses will be given to totally as mega bonuses. Like I was tired, that's why I have chosen this way or this path to show you the bonuses. Like after 50 software, I have put here 300 plus stuffs. Like inside these stuffs, there are some software, there are some PLR products, like 100 PLR products, and image pack like 4.5k or maybe more than 10k images. I don't know exactly, the images numbers should be between 4.5k and 10k, and the music tracks, loop musics, and the doodle character image pack also given inside this 300 plus products. So literally you will be given 350 products inside my bonuses if you just purchase the mega bonus. If you purchase any upsell, you will be given more via my email or from my softmemeware Facebook page. You can contact me after purchasing the upsell, but before purchasing the upsell you have to get the front end. Obviously that is the condition. Let me show you. It is required to get front end before any OTO can obtain any kind of one or even more OTOs from below if you currently got front end. Okay, so you have to take the front end obviously, and this is the way you can get the product. You can click on these buttons. There are 2 more buttons inside this page, and you can check out the product, you can check out the sales page, then you can get the product. After getting the product, you have to click on this sky blue button to get my bonuses, and then if you purchase any upsell, you can also contact me. So this was the overview of this product and also the bonus overview. I think I have convinced you. So I am wrapping up the video now. I am signing out for this video. I am doing bye bye. So bye bye.